this chick here from Plomor. You know, a lot of you guys have been messaging me after picking up your LC215s. We all feel the same way. The truck is a beast right off the lot, and that retro look is spot on. But after driving it for a while, it just feels like it needs a little something extra. Beyond the big stuff like tires and suspension, a lot of you ask me, what's the best first move? Should I get fender flares that sits flush with the tires? Or start with some small practical modes? Today, I'm not here to mess around. I'm putting out my personal Plomor build list that I have been testing for over half a year, and I've broken it down into 3 budget tiers: $1,000, $2,000, and $3,000. This ain't just shopping lists. They are the no-headache guides I wish I had when I started. Plus, for those of you asking about the new stuff in the works, I will give you a full upgrade on where we are at with the new parts. Before we jump into the different budget build options, I want to give you a quick update on our R&D progress. A quality aftermarket part is like a piece of art. It's something you just can't rush when it comes to design and production. Regarding the side steps, light bar roof rack, and light brackets, they are all currently in mass production, and we are on track on officially release them in a few months. Now, about the spare tire carrier. Why it's taking a while? Because it's complicated. It's not just about mounting a tire, it's about the structural balance on those rear door hinges. We are doing endless stability tests because I'd rather have you guys with a few extra months than shipping something that might cause rattles or issues down the road. And here's the best news for everyone who's been asking. Our front bumper is moving fast. We are on track to drop both the A and B versions in about 1 month. We will be announcing the price right along with them, so stay tuned. Thanks for all the support, guys. Before we jump into the build tiers, if you enjoyed these promo videos, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you are working with a $1,000 budget, I recommend prioritizing 2 things: protection and daily refinement. I put together 2 different build passes based on what you might be looking for. The practical pass is about $994.90. With a 10% new customer discount, it brings the price down to just $895.41. You get the hood struts, bug mesh, mud flaps, taillight covers, and D-pillow grab handles. First up, the hood struts. If this ain't on your build list yet, they need to be. Seriously, this is the absolute best move you can make to start. It's a super affordable entry-level mode, but the difference in your daily experience is instant. We all know the stock prop roll is clunky and a total hassle to deal with. With our struts, you just give the hood a light lift and it glides up on its own. Smooth, effortless, and a massive quality of life upgrade. Next up, our bug mesh. This is easily a fan favorite here at Plomor. You guys have been loving it for a reason. It has that clean factory OEM look. And the snap-on design makes installation an absolute breeze. You can pop it on or off in seconds, and it offers solid no-nonsense protection for your radiator. If you are looking for the perfect entry-level mode, I can't recommend this one enough. For the mud flaps, we upgraded the material and added a strap design. It keeps them from bending forward, so you don't have to worry about them snagging or getting stuck in the tires. Moving to the back, the D-pillow grab handles and taillight covers are absolute hand turners. They don't just look unique, They give you LC some extra protection while making it outstand from the crowd. Installation is straightforward too. The tail light covers use a simple combo of screws and 3M tape. The T-pillar grab handles are a little more involved because it requires a reverse step. But don't worry, we've included a manual reverse tool in the kit. You can easily knock this out solo in your own garage. Honestly, these two are a must-have combo. I definitely recommend installing them together. The logo price is about $108.90. After the 10% new customer discount, we are looking at $908. This one focuses on the hood struts, D-pillar grab handles, and the fender flares. If you are keeping an eye on the budget, the D-pillar grab handles are arguably better value than the tail light covers. Beyond just the protection, it gives you a solid grip and serves a similar function to a molding panel, which is super handy. Our fender flares are easily one of our best sellers at Plomor. What makes them special is that they give you LC that aggressive wet stance look while still staying true to the factory design. Whether you are cruising in the city, hitting the dunes, or trading through the woods, those extra 47mm up front and 49mm in the rear change the whole presence of the trunk. If you want to see all the nitty-gritty details, definitely check out my previous video or hand over to our website and take a look at our blog and the product page. Now, let's look at the $2,000 tier. The practical pass: struts, back mesh, tow hooks, roof lights, mud flaps, D-pillar grab handles, and tail light covers. I get a lot of questions asking, is it really worth the extra ground? My answer is simple. If you spend it on tow hooks and roof lights, it's a no-brainer. Let's talk about those tow hooks first. This isn't just about the look, it's about having proper recovery points. When you're out on the trails and you get stuck, the stock setup can be a real headache. It's easy to damage your paint trying to hook up. Our front hooks stick out 9.5 cm further than the factory ones, and we've moved the rear ones to a horizontal position for much easier access. It makes recovery smooth and safe, whether you are getting pulled out or helping a buddy. Then, there are the roof lights. Factory headlights are fine for city driving, but once you are deep in the woods or out in the desert at night, they just don't have the reach you need. These roof lights fill in that visibility gap instantly. Plus, our straight light and full light kits are the same price. The straight light version actually packs more wattage for a brighter output. You can check my previous videos for the full install guide. It's a lot easier than that you think. The style pass is about $21.90. After 10% new customer discount, we are looking at about $80, $90, $71. Fender flares, mud flaps, Mag Air arm kit, tow hooks, and struts. If you are all about that aggressive, combat-ready stance and extra protection, look no further. This setup was built for you, and honestly, it's one of my top recommendations. A quick pro tip: bundle the fender flares and mud flaps together to save $15. Also, if you grab the mirror covers, D-pillar grab handles, and tail light covers as set, you will save $161. That's a huge deal. And one last thing, we heard that some of you didn't get the reverse tool with the D-pillar grab handles. We've added them to our new packages now. If you bought one earlier and missed out on the tool, just hit me up and I will get a replacement sent out to you right away. When you hit the $3,000 level, you are basically building a complete rig. The practical pass is about $3,046.90. After 10% new customer discount, we are looking at about $2742.21. Includes fender flares, mud flaps, back mesh, struts, bug deflector, the full Mag Air arm set, roof lights, and tow hooks. In the $3,000 Pro tier, we are adding fender flares, a bug deflector, and the full Mag Air arm set. This isn't about just more parts, it's about solving the two biggest headaches in overlanding: body damage and rock chips. With a level of all-round protection, no matter how harsh the desert or deep the rainforest, you can hit the trails with total confidence, knowing your rig has your back. The style pass is about $2947.90. After 10% new customer discount, we are looking at $2653.11. This one includes the hood, struts, the arm set, and tow hooks. The hood is a statement piece. The trim lines perfectly match the original design. give it that super aggressive OEM Plus look. A quick hands up, this comes in Plomor because everyone has different color preferences. You will want to get it painted to match your trunk perfectly. Look, there is no right way to build your trunk. These are just the setups that I found work best for me. Feel free to mix and match whatever suits your style. You can find all these parts at plomor.com. Here's a little bonus for you. If you follow one of these build plans, reach out to me directly. I can give you an extra discount that's stacked on the top of the 10% new customer offer. If you are ever unsure about a part, just ask. I'm here to help you get it right. Building your rig is a part of the fun. I'm DHG. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.